As you can see, I have 81 rev points. Now, if I want to convert this to cash, what we're gonna have to do is simply tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. After that, you're gonna have to tap on help. Once you get here, you're gonna have to contact the support team of Revolut. Now, it's very important that you talk with a real human, so not the AI assistant, because the AI assistant will tell you that you cannot convert them, but you can. And keep in mind that you can only convert once. So if you convert now the ref points that you have to cash, and then you're gonna have more and more ref points in the future, you'll not be able to convert those points anymore because you can only do this once. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.